The challenges that face magnesium are really the same challenges that faced many of the metals and materials that we use in our everyday lives to manufacture the goods and materials that are important to us, that are essential to the way in which we live. Climate change makes it imperative that we reduce carbon emissions. Magnesium offers some particular advantages in this battle against climate change. And it is, of course, the lightest of all the structural metals, but more than that, it is very recyclable and it's non-toxic, and it's also very abundant. So magnesium being light means that when we move goods around through transport, etc., we can do it more efficiently because it's light, so we move more payload and less vehicle mass as we go. So it is really part of the solution. Magnesium and green technology go hand in hand. And the more we realise that we need to sustain the planet and develop sustainable industries, the demand for magnesium becomes even greater. Hatch understands the process technology for magnesium. Unlike aluminium, where there is really only one process technology, magnesium there are several. And each of them is unique because the resource is unique in each case. In the project we're doing in China, that was a main issue, is electrolytic process technology, but it had to be adapted to the feedstock that was available in China and also the site conditions. The plant was built at very high elevation and that required many changes in the process. In China, the average greenhouse gas emissions per tonne of magnesium has been calculated at 45 tonnes of CO2 per tonne of magnesium produced. In the project that we are developing now with our Chinese partners, it will be somewhere less than 7. And another advantage of magnesium is that it's a very recyclable metal. Similar to aluminium, it has a fairly low melting point. And so it is much more efficient to recycle the metal than it is to produce it as a primary metal, much more energy efficient. Hatch has been involved in the development of state-of-the-art recycling plants. Hatch was the first to design and build a recycling plant based on induction melting technology. Induction melting technology is much faster and much more energy efficient. Hatch understands these processes in detail, so we can help our clients select the right process that produces the minimum amount of waste for their particular resource. There's always a better way, and we're always looking to find it.